guy pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. I see both sides like Chanel. See on both sides.
Hey sis! Sheila here, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to make a hairstyle off of this wig. I don't know the details of this wig, but it's just a wig. You'll see it when I'm doing it. First things first, we're going to do cornrows on my hair. I'm so excited to be styling my hair. This is the inspiration. I can't do that. I can do that with my natural hair, but it's not going to turn out as good. So let me try to do it with the wig. I have made a video of cornrowing my hair before in the past. If you want to check that out, you can. But if you're too lazy to, I'll just give you like the gist of how to do cornrows by yourself.
I just do it my way. Like God is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love it. Still love, still love, still love it. Still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love.
It's not perfect, but we can still work with it. I did 12 on my head.
3 days later.
It's been a couple days later, and if you can't tell by the sound of my voice, I have a cold. They are so freaking annoying. Anyway, let's continue with this video so I can finish and go and rest. I'll get this to pack the ends at the back because I'm not using a wig cap. I choose not to, so I'm going to use this just to pack it up. Nothing too difficult. Just like that. Now this is the wig that I'll be working with. I've never installed a wig before, but this is how it looks before. I'll try my very best to fix up this wig. First thing that I would like to do is gel back my edges. I'll be using this hair wax edge control. It's very pretty and it smells very nice, but it flakes. That's the only bad thing about it. I'll use that on my edges.
Love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love. I don't need me sleep past 9 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel strong again. We don't just join the party.
So now let's get the wig. This is a frontal wig. This is a very old wig, as you can see. This is the inside. It has this clippy things. Then I'll adjust the clippy thingies to my head size. Then I'll just put it on like so. I want it to be in the middle part like this. So let's try to brush this hair back so we can see the lace.
Shitty news, I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better.
I'm going to be using this Got to Be glue free spray while tying it down with this old brass strap.
Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. Like God is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love it. Still love, still love, still love it. Still love and still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got in pages, talking a lie. Sorry, I'm faded. I forgot you love me.
The main part is this part, so that's what I'm really trying to lay. To make this hair less stiff, I'm going to add water to it and see where we go from there.
It's been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better, you moved on to whatever. I was down for whatever and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. Like God is these broken clouds. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love and still love and still love. still love. Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. Don't need me sleep past 1 a.m. Heartbeat make me feel again. We don't just join the party. Don't need nobody. All that I got is in pages. Talking a lie. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me. I'm fast from a day job. Running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck. Running back to the strip club. I'm never going back. Never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back. Never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than cash.
I decided to leave it like this because it looks better like this. It looks manageable like this. So let's take this off. So this is how it looks. I'm not sure if this is how it's supposed to be. It looks weird, but at least it's glued down. I don't know what I did. I'm so confused. Let me get all dressed up and see if this makes any difference.
Nothing but love for you. Nothing but love. Nothing but love. All that I got is in pages. Talking a lie. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me. You love me. You love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m. Gotta get that cash. Won't get past the lunch break. I ain't had smoke break in about 2 days. Don't wait. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whatever.
So I tried fixing up the way I look, and I still don't even like the wig. Like, this is water from the wig, by the way. I still don't like the wig because it's not me, it's the wig. I've given up on this wig. I don't know what more to do with it. I really don't. I don't know what more to do with it. Like, I don't know. It's okay. It's not really that bad, but it's not good as well. I thought wigs were meant to be easier than braids. This is so freaking hard. Anyway, that's it for today's video. If you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Nothing but love. Nothing but love.